Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today we're looking at Nvda, AMD, and Tesla. We follow the daily, weekly, monthly time frames. We use technical analysis here at StockBookie.com. So I'm just going to go into the monthly on Nvda. Guys, high flyer, 150 is probably your area. Probably will overshoot 155, 160. Watch for that. Or does it barely make it and just turn around and come right back in? I've seen that before because everyone's anticipating 150 if not higher. So keep an eye on that. Let's go to the daily, the smaller time frame though. High flyer though on the monthly. This one's getting a little extended, nothing crazy, but it's, oh man, volume's kind of lightened up here down in this area. I had a little pullback here. Rocket launched a new all-time high, so have to respect it. You got to think 150 to 155 somewhere in there. If this pattern starts playing out, you're still above the MAs, all that great stuff. All right, let's go into AMD. AMD, same thing. We talked about these lows, chopping around in a bearish manner. It's got to hold this area in here, guys. If it starts making new lows below this pivot, then this one will probably go into the 200 MA, fill the gap down in here. Great support still here, double bottom at 984, the $10 even number, which we were holding last time. So nothing wrong, guys. Above the MA, we're still below the 50 though. So we got to get attacked. We got to start moving up, guys, and getting above here. And then the next big area is this down sloping trend line. That's a big one too. If you can get above that and break above, then we're probably going to 15, 16 or so. Got to get above this pivot though, because that was a nice push up. On news, I believe it was. I think we even went higher. And it came right back in the next day. And then this is bearish right here, guys. It's got to get above. I'm going to go with like, yeah, 12 bucks or so, and then the 50 MA here. Got to start moving up. But right now, not a bad showing. A little bit strong today. Volume wasn't bad. You know, bulls are getting itchy down here. So, but if this thing's consolidating over a big moving average, that's telling me that there's possible more downside in this one. So just be careful with the AMD. I don't care either way. I do not have a position in this one. So if it moves up, we'll short. If it moves down, we'll be looking somewhere down in here to go long. So that's the AMD. And then the monthly chart, this is the other reason why. Same thing, 50 or 20 MAs down in here, around 743. That's your area. 8 bucks or so, 743. First hit of that, I mean, this is, oh man, if we could get down here, I'd definitely be a buyer of AMD down in this area. So right now, nice follow through on the monthly. We're chopping around. Let's see if we retrace one time into that trend line, then maybe the next leg down. But keep an eye on this. If the markets go lower, this is going lower. It'll be everything's a market trade right now. Markets hold up. These guys can go do, you know, can work their magic, put it that way. All right, let's go into Tesla. What can I say about Tesla too, guys? Just keeps ripping. All-time highs today, just keeps going. Daily charts, volume was okay today. You know, I mean, I need more consolidation. We got the trend line up in this area. Let me push it through here. And right now we closed above it on the daily. Let's see if we close above on this line on the weekly close on Friday. Once we get that, then we'll know a little bit more on the Tesla. But 350, gosh, never. Whew. Let me go to the monthly on this one. But look at these moves, guys. Up almost 300, back down 180, up 287, down 143, up 268, down 180. Straight up, guys. This is a little bit bullish pattern here, chopping. We did get above this trend line. That's a pretty good breakout. And some follow through, even on the monthly, guys, with some volume. Is this going to be the end of the road here? Possibly. We got to really keep an eye on this one here. Monthly chart, especially, I want to see it close above 355, 360 on the monthly, and then possibly higher. We could go 375 to 400 on this one, for all I know. But remember, long, just tighten the stops. That's all. I take some profits. It's not going to go up forever. I know they got the Model 3 and some other stuff. This one needs a little bit of a pullback, guys. So we might get a nice one. Maybe back to this trend line support around 250 or so. So just be aware of that. Just don't think it's going to go up forever, guys. But if it does, 350 is your target, then the 375, 400 will go from there. But getting a little bit stretched. Monthly chart, like we talk about from the 20 MA, once it gets stretched, it comes back in, especially this one. This one's known to do it. So watch that on Tesla. Just tighten the stops. That's all I'm saying. I don't care what you do, but just tighten them up. There'll be another chance to get in this one, guys. That's the bottom line. So, again, volume's not too bad on the daily. Got to respect it, though. Close at all-time highs. Let's see if we get above the 350 area to the 360. Maybe they get that one big push. Let's look for volume, maybe a reversal up here. But at this point, still goes. Keep an eye on this one. Again, tighten it. If you're looking to short it, you can start shorting it here. Expect it to go to possibly 400. So have a wide enough stop, or just go slow and steady to withstand that 400 price, or add more at 400 if it went up to that price point. All right, guys, that's it for today with these three, a couple high flyers. There's a couple more on the charts that we have. Go to StockBookie, sign up, it's free. You'll get email alerts to videos like this, or live trading sessions, some trade ideas, and some educational stuff as well. All right, thanks again for watching my video, guys. God bless. See you on the charts.